Welcome back to our podcast, where we discuss the latest features and functionalities of Porta1's Cloud PBX solution. I'm Oleg Shevtsov, and together with Dmytro Lavraniuk, we'll dive deep into benefits and capabilities of the Wallboard feature, focusing on how it empowers call center managers to make data-driven decisions and drive their call centers towards success.
That's right, Oleg. The Wallboard functionality is a powerful tool that enables managers to monitor agent performance, gain insights into call volumes, and even integrate external systems for a comprehensive view of their call center's operations. So, it's time to explore the endless possibilities of the Wallboard feature and discover how it can revolutionize call center management. Let's jump right in.
The new Wallboard functionality is a game changer for call center managers. It allows them to add widgets that present nearly real-time information about agents' availability and call volumes. Let's explore some of the use cases and how they can benefit call centers. We start with use case 1, call supervision.
One of the key use cases of the Wallboard is call supervision. Call center managers often need insights into the call center activity and agent performance. With the new Wallboard, managers can configure a widget called Extension Presence and select specific extensions or a group of extensions they want to monitor.
The Extension Presence widget periodically refreshes information and displays whether agents are on a call or available. This gives managers a real-time visibility into their agent status.
And here is the really cool part. If a manager needs to monitor any agent on a call, they can use a service code, for example, *90, followed by the extension number. For example, the manager can simply open their web portaphone and dial *90 1000. As a result, the manager will join a call on extension 1000 in spy mode. They can listen in without the parties knowing.
And if the manager needs to provide assistance or guidance, they can use *91 to whisper or *92 to barge in. This feature empowers managers to actively supervise and support their agents, ultimately enhancing the quality of customer interactions. And if we are clear with this part, here comes the use case 2, call volume insights.
Another valuable use case for the Wallboard is gaining insights into call volumes. Call center managers need to understand the number of calls handled by each agent and the overall call traffic.
Absolutely, Dmytro. With the call volumes widget, managers can select specific extensions or group of extensions they want to monitor. The widget displays how many calls were handled, both incoming and outgoing, within a specific time range. It also provides the aggregate duration per agent.
This feature enables managers to identify top performers who handle the most calls and agents who may be underperforming. Having access to this data allows call center managers to make data-driven decisions about bonuses or penalties based on actual call volumes and agent performance.
By utilizing the insights from the call volumes widget, call center managers can optimize resources allocation, identify training needs, and ensure efficient call handling, ultimately providing overall call center performance. And here we come to use case 3, insights generated in the external systems.
Apart from that, call centers often rely on various CRM and reporting software tools that may not be directly integrated with portaSwitch yet. This can sometimes make it challenging for managers to access all the information they need in one place.
That's right, Dmytro. However, with the new Wallboard functionality, call center managers can easily overcome this challenge by configuring an iframe widget and entering the URL they need a CRM report. Managers can seamlessly access statistics and reports generated in the external systems, such as sales CRMs.
This means that managers no longer have to switch between their CRM system and the Cloud PBX portal to view important data. the iframe widget displays the CRM report directly on the same wallboard, providing a centralized and comprehensive view of the call center's performance.
This feature is particularly useful when managers want to see a specific metrics such as number of issues resolved or perhaps number of pending issues. By integrating their CRM and reporting systems with the Wallboard using an iframe widget, managers can easily track and analyze critical data without the hassle of navigating through multiple applications or systems.
Wallboards can be displayed on large screens within the call center premises to ensure that every agent has access to the statistics and reports. This enables agents to stay informed about the call center's performance in real time and empowers them to make data-driven decisions in their daily tasks. For example, call centers can utilize wall-mounted TVs or monitors, video walls, or digital signage.
By opening the wallboards on large screens, call centers create a visual focal point that promotes transparency, encourages collaboration, and fosters data-driven culture among agents. Also, it serves a constant reminder of the call center performance goals, while agents stay motivated and engaged in their work.
So to recap, the new Wallboard functionality in PortaOne's Cloud PBX solution provides call center managers with valuable insights to streamline operations and enhance performance.
If you are excited to see how these Wallboard widgets can empower call centers to optimize their operations and deliver exceptional customer experience, please reach out to us.
Or let us know if you would like to add some other data to the new Wallboards. Until then, see you in the next video.